This is a new era that you have never experienced before. The wave of green energy saving is sweeping the world. DSJ Electric provides customers with high-quality industrial electrification complete sets of equipment and system solutions. Empower green manufacturing with digital technology and provide Chinese solutions for the digital transformation of global low-carbon life and high and low voltage complete sets of switchgear equipment. After 40 years of development, DSJ Electric has established a complete operation system and has R&D technical team composed of outstanding talents. In order to deeply explore the unknown areas of the industry and comprehensively improve the performance of electrical equipment, we have reached cooperation with many international famous enterprises such as Siemens, Schneider, Mitsubishi, etc., and obtained cutting-edge technology at the first time, which has an international perspective. Actively carry out the construction of a digital management platform, implement product standardization in modular design, and accurately match the personalized customization needs of customers, and truly realize the service concept of knowing what customers want, responding to customers' needs, and moving with customers. Taking science and technology as the primary productive force for research and development, we always have the enthusiasm to further improve product performance, collaborate with digital manufacturing, improve R&D efficiency and R&D process quality, and make product quality reach a new height. Embrace digital smart manufacturing and drive green production. Injects the power of innovation into every production process. Use each product to explain the concept of green energy saving. It has built automatic production lines for high and low voltage switch gears, circuit breakers, intelligent switches, components, and high and low voltage accessories with scientific and rational digital overall solutions. The products have passed international type tests such as ASTA, KEMA, UL, CE, etc. Products are widely used in petrochemical, rail transit, state grade, and other fields. Sincere service and continuous innovation, we wholeheartedly provide customers with the best quality service. Switchgear equipment products are exported to North America, Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Latin America, and other regions. Always follows the core value of customer first, with large-scale and professional manufacturing system, perfect quality assurance system, and a full-scale order tracking service, so that customers can rest and worry free about the realization process of orders. Enables China's power to be manifested and drives surging power for industrial production. The digital wave of swept the world along the journey of electricity. In the future, we will also feedback the industry and share the achievements of enterprise development with the society, so that more people can feel the wave of digital energy saving of green power.